Alright, just like the chords, we'll do two downstrokes here because we have our downstroke here and our downstroke here. Down, up, down, up. So the down beats and up beats, those got to be downstrokes, so we keep the same movement with the fret or the picking hand the whole time. So, watch what I do. If you got any doubts, 60 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missed the damn string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and a 4, and 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I forgot what to do. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4. Done. 100. 1. Wait a minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 140. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So yeah, like I mentioned in when you asked about the chords there, you're on the right track, but you got to pay better attention to what notes make the key. If the key of G has one sharp and you have no sharp notes as the root note, that's a problem. Let me pull that up. I don't know why I didn't already. Now we have plenty of time here. I don't have to talk through it so quickly. Okay. So I don't remember how long ago it was. We went through a bunch of notes in keys, various major keys. Circle of fifths was something. So key signature. That's what this little sharp sign is right here. It's not showing up. There we go. That little sharp sign there is a key signature. This is a key signature. That is a key signature. Here we see no sharp or flat symbol because it's the key of C. There's no sharps and no flats, so it doesn't have one. Here, we're going to be increasing the number of sharps as we go, and eventually, here we start to increase the number of flats. So to determine what the root note of the next key is with increasing sharps, we count up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes. So the fifth note in the key of C is G. Key of G is the next key, and it contains one sharp. So the seventh note of every new key here is always the new sharp. Always. So this note here is always sharp. Now, every time we increase sharps, whatever was sharp previously, it's going to be sharp down here as well. Plus, the 7th note is the new sharp. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th note here in the key of G, that is the root note of the next key. And you will have 2 sharps. So the 2 sharps here will be present here. Plus a new one. We got 3 sharps. So the 2 sharps here will be present here. Plus the 7th note is the new sharp. And that's what you do. We always count up 5 notes. 5th note is the root note of the next major key, major scale, so on. For the flats, you count up 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th note in is the root note of the key with 1 flat. And then go 1, 2, 3, 4. This note is the root note of the next key with 2 flats. It's also always going to be the new flatted note. So the 4th note in the flat keys, and I say flat keys because we have flats in them, the 4th note in the flat key is always the new flat. So this note is flat, and it's also the root note of the next key. And just like before, whatever is flat here comes down here as well. And that's going to be the new flat, plus the root note of the next key. So the 2 flats in this key come down here, plus you got this one. That's always going to be the new one. And yes, the 1, 4, 5, always major. 2, 3, 6, always minor. 7th, always diminished. Never changes. Never, ever, 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 ever. So, hopefully that clears some things up. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.